Hey guys, I wanted to share a really cool activity that I'm kind of working through for the first time in my integrated math class. And then putting this activity on GeoGebra has been pretty sweet, and I kind of wanted to show you guys what I've kind of noticed so far, and maybe get you guys interested in checking out GeoGebra, and I can show you the ropes of that program for sure. But here's what the program is, or the activity that we're doing in class. We ended up filming three different kind of paths that a ball takes in air. So this is I got a video of two students throwing the ball up. So here's one, and I slowed it down already. I took this with my iPad using iMovie, so you can see a nice path here, and then I've got another student here tossing it up. Notice the height goes out of here, which is kind of cool. Helps ask the question how high you threw it up here. So this is the video that I have. So what I ended up doing was taking, like, for example, this is at 2 seconds. So I ended up taking a screenshot. I have a program called GreenShot. Allows me to take a picture of part of the screen here. So what I ended up doing was taking little slivers like this at certain times, and then I saved the picture, so I have some data collected here based off the video, trying to keep them all to scale here. So I have one for Jake, who's throwing the ball up, and I have one for Michael, who's the girl throwing it up. So then what I ended up doing with this, so that we can compare, is I ended up putting the time at 0 seconds, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 in the slow-mo video. That was the pictures that I took. And so I ended up plotting the points and doing a best fit curve, which is this nice parabola. I ended up, I made a slider here so I can change my time, and I can see, as the ball is in air, I can see its parabolic path based off this model. What I also did was, let me see here. What I also did was I took a picture here, so path of toss. I have it as a checkbox here, so it's hidden right now. But what I have that hidden for is so if you want to show it, and then we slide the seconds. Now what this does here is it shows the ball getting tossed up vertically in the air, and we can compare it to the parabolic curve here. So now I can go ahead and slide my time, and we can see, hey, look at that. So we can see vertical with the ball based off our model, and the parabolic curve based off the graph. Something really cool about GeoGebra too is if I right click this point, I can go trace on. So and this slider, by the way, goes every quarter second. And so yeah, when you slide this here with that trace on, what it's going to do is every quarter second it's going to leave a little ink mark of where the ball was. So as we slide here, you can see the difference of the ball in height. Get smaller and smaller and smaller at its max, and then we can see it fall back down, nice and symmetrical. You can also hide that path and turn animation on, so we can kind of just see the computer go, and you can do some comparisons. So pretty neat to be able to compare a parabolic curve to video of students throwing a ball up. I also have Jacob's toss right here. So this one's kind of cool. 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 7, 8, 9, 10 in seconds here. So kind of using our model to extend where it started initially, because Jacob didn't throw this one. The video wasn't off the ground like Michael's. So same idea here. I can do the vertical as well, compare those two paths. But two different models here. And we're going to do a little compare and contrast. We're going to talk about speed of the ball as it eventually has a speed of 0 at the top. So anyways, just wanted to share that with you guys. If you're interested in that app, I can share what I did or make some podcasts or whatever you want. So anyways, hope you found that interesting. Thanks, guys.